Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on HONOR MagicPad 13. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power up button and volume up button at the same time and hold it. And now when you see HONOR logo on your screen, you can let go of power button, but you still have to hold volume up button. And now, as you can see, I'm in recovery mode, and here you have to select clear data option and then select factory reset. Now you have to type in yes and then click factory reset. Now click factory reset again, and now you have to wait. Now you have to click back and click restart. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.